So what's wrong?
My tummy. For the past 2 weeks.
2 weeks, and what's happened?
I have no poo-poo. No poo-poo.
Oh, like seriously? So you are suffering from constipation or what?
Yes, so possible. It's serious.
Oh, but there's a solution, so don't worry.
Are you sure?
Oh yeah, definitely.
I've tried every means.
There's a simple solution.
I don't want any medication.
No, it's not about medication. You know, Risa is there to sort us out.
Ooh.
Risa.
Where is Risa?
No, Risa is on YouTube.
So what's the channel name?
Risa stips.
Risa stips.
He has so many ways of cleansing
then because
our system naturally.
Let's go watch
there are
the
so many
video.
natural ways. So let's go and watch the video and we come back.
Yeah, I want that.
To prevent the accumulation of fats in your system, boost your system to burn fat so fast, and this is so powerful. So you want to get your apple, get 2 apples, take out the seeds. You don't need the seeds. Take out the seeds and we go. This is so powerful. It boosts your metabolism, most especially your liver. This cleanses your liver and leaves it in good state to in turn flush.
Oh my gosh.
I told you there's a solution.
Hey! I'm going to do it right now.
Yeah.
To see if it is true.
Sure.
2 weeks, no poo-poo.
So
that not
what did you
serious?
observe?
What I saw was that.
Okay.
I even read something small about her before.
Okay, Risa.
Just right now.
Oh, okay. So you can tell us, the viewers are watching.
I think she was someone who was having so much weight.
Okay.
But
Okay.
she decided to be using these natural things that you can easily get.
So that you can lose weight, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Belly fat. So the one you showed me now. She used lemon. Lemon with it peels.
Okay.
Orange.
With the peels.
Yeah,
Okay.
ginger, apple. Just that. Cool. I have it in my fridge.
So she ate them raw, or what happened? You have to
You
tell
think
us.
you want to sit down, chop some apple, then on top, orange, then lemon, with the zest.
You have to tell us now.
With the peel, you catch it.
Oh yeah, when
No,
they need be.
She didn't
But,
do
yeah.
that.
Oh, okay. So
By watching the video, she just cut the lemon zest. You know the peel.
Okay.
She grated it and we call it lemon zest.
Oh, okay.
Then the lemon itself, she cut it with the ginger. And I love one thing about Risa. When I was watching her video, she would tell you the benefits, what the thing does. Like ginger, she talked about ginger, the benefits, and I love that for her. She also talked about the apple. She cut the apple. So all these things she cut and mentioned, and with all the benefits, she then put it in a blender and blend, and then she sieved. This is so easy. My belly.
Did she use pineapple too? She used pineapple, right?
I don't know.
I'm sure.
Didn't you? I watch it with you.
Yeah. That's why I'm asking you. I want to see whether you observe.
Then we have to
because
go.
you are suffering from 2 weeks without pooping. So I want to sort
The way my stomach is bloated, look at the sound it's making. 2 weeks. So okay. So Risa did a great job. I think she have been doing well. I've been following her since. But I didn't know. You know, sometimes you watch the video, you just open and you leave. But I didn't know it's this Risa. So in fact, it's a great way of solving some of our problems and naturally.
Okay.
You know, I like natural things, yes. Because sometimes when you go to the hospital, they will give you some of these drugs you take and you poop. And some you take it in the night, the next day you poop up all the bad what?
So the main reason why I would advise that we can add a pineapple, and I'm sure Risa also added pineapple, is that pineapple, they are rich in this enzyme called bromelain.
So you knew she added pineapple.
Yeah, I just want to try you. Yeah, I want to
Gee.
see if you observant, because you were facing the problem and you are finding solutions to your problem. So yeah, so the enzyme bromelain, it aids in digestion also, and those pains that you feel within.
So
you
viewers,
can also add pineapple as well.
let me go cut all these things, do it, drink it, come back, and I'll tell you what happened.
Yeah.
So wait for us. I'm feeling good.
So you've gone to try it, right?
Hi, I did it.
And so how was it?
The next morning.
Oh, okay.
Hi, I poop up all the bad fat. Look at my tummy now.
Wow. So flat tummy.
Flat tummy. And I'm
I see
feeling
that.
so good.
Show mama. Show mama.
I'm feeling so good. So good. So, lovely viewers, it is very true when you use natural things to just solve problems. You'll be healthy, you'll be fine. So you can try her tips. She's good at that. Just natural things that you can easily get. It's not like you go and say, oh, where will I get this? Then you'll be running from one grocery shop to the other without even finding. These things are with us in our own fridges. We buy them every day. So you can try it so that you also poop out so much fat, bad fat too. Drinking just one bottle, you'll be there, and then you are going to glow naturally. Yeah, glowing, removing all the bad things, the toxins. Oh, what a good thing to have. So, lovely viewers, this is where we are going to end this video. If you don't have Riza, please go check her out. Yes, if you can also subscribe to our channel, and we thank all our loyal subscribers.
Thank you so much.
Returning subscribers.
Love you.
Keep eating healthy meals.
Always.
Keep exercising.
Sure.
Because these are the things that will give you a healthy living, so that an apple a day takes you away from the doctor from how many weeks? Good. So she added apple. Go check her channel. And Riza, we say kudos. And until then, stay healthy. Bye-bye.